It's Kevin Kittilsen with DJK Custom Homes. Today we're in Naperville at DJK's Eco Smart Model Home. We're framing the roof today. Let's take a walk inside and see some advanced framing methods. Here we have our 4-car garage on this model. An L-shaped garage going here. On this home we're trying to make it really energy efficient. One of the ways we're doing it is by putting foam on the exterior of the home. We also put foam on the garage as well, trying to keep this garage as warm as possible in the winter. We have an inch of Dow foam here, as you can see, which will be wrapped around the entire perimeter of the garage. On the exterior of the home, you'll see that we have Dow styrofoam insulation board on all exterior walls. There's a tongue and groove insulation board. When we have an inch of it on the garage area and 2 inches on the main home area. We staggered our seams on this insulation board in order to prevent any thermal bridging as well as air infiltration. We're also taping all the seams to prevent any water penetration through the wall. Now that you've seen the exterior of the home, let's take a walk inside the house and show some framing techniques. To make sure that insulation was in every section of the wall cavity. One of the ways we did that was on this exterior wall here. We spaced foam in between these individual studs in order to kind of prevent thermal bridging and also provide an R value in the wall system where you see here. In this project we're doing a prefab direct vent fireplace, which will allow insulation to be in all of the wall cavities. On a traditional masonry fireplace, there's no insulation, allowing for a cold spot and also a lot of air to travel through. On this home, we're getting rid of that by doing a direct vent fireplace. Lumber waste and also get more insulation in our wall cavities. We went with 19.2 inch on-center studs in this home, which are also 2x6, providing room for more insulation, both on the interior of the home and the exterior of the home, as we were trying to make this home as energy efficient as possible. We reduced lumber and allowed for additional insulation in this home is by using advanced framing headers. Here you'll see we have two 2x12s filled with 2.5 inches of Dow foam. And then down here on the bottom plate, you'll also see that we only used one framing member instead of 2 to 3 as with typical construction methods. The traditionally built framing corner allows for a cold spot in the wall, usually a few studs thick. On this home we're only doing a 2-stud corner, which you'll see here. Basically this wall butts into here and allows for insulation to be blown into the wall system. Another way that we are saving on framing lumber is by also doing our roof rafters at 19.2 inches on center to match our wall stud cavities.